okasa onkasa ntia obia mpacho doma hene nkasa rough sa ena me ne ko school no the whole class no fere ade se no obia besi nne ote court da mu so ontesa okọ house of chiefs ontesa na mom asante nkoa ba ne tirimu a because of akonwa no a wote so because of a dino
semetewase ya na we some reincarnated beef ewo and koso ene because of the names as I repeating it, is that correct?
You have said it.
Okay,
you have said it.
I see. Enti no near koso no ensunsanso ben, what are the possible consequences a bit to me de aba, because the kind of things we are hearing then from what you have said, you know, must we believe what the Domahene has been saying and I said revealing? Must we believe them?
And yes, sir.
And if we have to believe them, does it mean say history told us lies?
Oh, history never told lies.
Okay.
And make catch it.
Yeah, me say I see but me
there be on the end was go this soon and free so. Yeah, one and pesa me ko.
Okay.
Nya eho near here pan nya near Santi Golden Stool nya ni here
okay
na mom near when the tirimu I want to me muscle direct na no ne ono ne de no
okay
onya bibia na it say sabi oba bi sabio woto no mona
okay
nti oba no betumi aka kire obi ase abranti o mempa na asam kwa ne ho ye mabufu but want to me nyina public nka say wato me mona apen. There's no way she can say that in our culture. Nka no ho be before ni kunu kura be gya no. Nti okeka kwa say wo hu nia ne nan ejina so say your friend is saying baby ana yete no we mu na pam ye. Afa ye golden stool we mu na gye makoma yensa.
Okay.
Na oje dis so obi anye ne yanko golden stool say na asantefo de no. Omutumi protect ya abrofo na ntimi anye no. Ana doma de no yensa wo ho. Sanka na omu wodi nsa na asante. Asantefo de na e won sa times 3. Our doma sanka doma di ni waso pa nti naturally osuya na bakwasamo fanisa ne
amike
yes ne amike nyina mu na meme ye doma ni a ufi sanka me kasa na enya me ya se be me ya aha na me kasa nyina so me ya santini a se no so be me de that's the way it is nti the expression of anger papa
okay
na wo bisa bibi se ninsunsanso ninsunsanso a ebetumede aba me gidi se free na ekona se ye sakra wono ma bebre mu no and say going back no wo behwe na nkofo bi a capture domahene se wo sabi ne ye atemdidie bi di nachi wo behwe na asa na sifri asante or his enemies na wo behwe na asante hene so nkofo kekan sem bi di tia no wo ti ase se